How to enable location in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to enable location in Google Chrome, what you need to do is first of all launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and you can see the option of apps over here. So tap on apps and select on manage apps over here. As you tap on manage apps, you can simply search for the app or Google Chrome over here on the search bar. So let's search for Chrome and search for it. It might take few seconds, so you just have to wait for few seconds over here. So let's wait, and the app will pop up at the bottom of the screen. So let's search for the app, and here we have. So let's tap on the application and simply scroll down to tap on app permissions. Now tap on app permissions and simply scroll down, and we have the location that is allowed over here, which means we have enabled it. So you just have to tap on it and give that access over here to Chrome to use the location. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.